The world is facing big changes in terms of the price of money. Interest rates are rising in the United States. They're possibly going to move in the UK and Europe a little bit further behind. How do you look at markets at the moment in terms of risks? Are we all assessing the risks correctly?
I think the stock market is overvalued. This is my feeling. And
global stock markets?
Yes. And I feel that another crash when somehow will happen. That's why I'm in gold, and I'm in gold above my ratio. Like I'm 50% of my net worth is in gold, so it's a very high percentage. So.
Do you not think you should divert? Forgive me.
No, because my starting point was very low, so I created some value. So I'm fine. It was not half of my net worth when I started.
What do you think gold can go to in terms of price?
In my opinion, it should go back to the 5 years ago, the 1700, 1800. It should go there.
Do you think it can achieve that?
Because you have India and you have China, and they're big consumers, and they will not stop to consume. Because people also tend to go to gold when there are crises, and we are like full of crises right now. Look at the Middle East, look at all the rest of the world. So Iran and Mr. Trump doesn't help. So
the commodities that you've mentioned there in terms of wanting to invest, is that just a very longer term view in terms of moving into commodities?
No. I'm one of the largest investors in gold mines in the world right now. As a family, my family is the largest. So I mean, I had to convince my mom, in the beginning, but it's been a very good investment for me. I recently sold a portion of my Evolution shares because I will reinvest now in Latin America and Eastern Europe. I found out something very peculiar about this gold mining issues. And it's a funny one, is that I found out that there are no businessmen on the boards of these companies, mostly miners and bankers.
And they believe that the price will always go up?
No, it's a businessman has a touch, as a commercial touch. He has some vision and some imagination that he brings to a board like that. If you have only miners and bankers,
the big focus